In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workspace in Monday.com. Starting this process is as straightforward as hopping on your browser and heading over to Monday.com. Make sure that you've got a stable internet connection while going through this process. Once you're on the home page, draw your attention to the upper right corner. You'll see the login button. Just go ahead and click on that. For this next part, you have two choices. You can either sign in with Google or type in the email address associated with the account you'll be working with. If you choose to sign in with Google, you'll need to select the correct email address from your list to proceed. Provide any password or additional authentication details as required to gain access to your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, you will find yourself in your current workspace. Now, this is where the excitement begins. You're going to navigate your cursor to the top left of the screen where you'll find a drop-down menu that corresponds to your current workspace. Clicking on this drop-down menu will reveal several options, and among these you'll see the choice to add a new workspace. Go ahead and click on that option. This will open up a new area where you can start customizing your workspace. The first thing you'll want to do is give your new workspace a descriptive name. This will not only help you identify it easily in the future, but also make it clear to others who might be joining your project. To rename your workspace, simply click on the text box provided and type in your desired name. Once you've named your workspace, you can make any necessary choices or adjustments that align with your preferences or project needs. Perhaps your team has specific requirements or you have a particular workflow in mind. You'll have an opportunity to make those decisions here. After you've put in all your preferences, it's time to seal the deal. Navigate to the Create Workspace button and click on it. This will officially create your new workspace, setting the stage for organization and productivity. Now that you've got your workspace up and running, you can start adding boards, folders, and other items. These tools are key in organizing your tasks, delegating responsibilities, and tracking the progress of your projects. Remember, the way you organize your workspace can greatly influence your team's efficiency and project outcomes, so take the time to set things up in a way that makes sense for your workflow. So there you have it, a smooth rundown on how to create a new workspace in Monday.com. Dive in, explore the possibilities, and enjoy the seamless experience of managing your projects.